stoop. If you are absent-minded to the clay book, what curious of signs please stoop in the Aleph dead? Can you read, since we and thou had it out already, its world? It is the same told of all many miscognations and miscognations cheerful. They lived and laughed and loved the end left forcing. Thy thing dome is given the meads and porsons, the mean thertel, a loss and again of our all hider burn the days the head of clouds walked the earth, and the ignorance that implies impression that knits knowledge and finds the name form that wets the wits, that convey contacts, that sweeten sensation, that drives desire, that adheres to attachment, that dogs death, that bitches birth, that entails the ensuance of existentiality. But with a rush out of his navel, reaching the reredos of Ramsbatham, a terricolous vivilionosphere, queer, and it continues to be quaky, a hatch, a celt, ere share the turquoise which was cassé, the earth crust at all hours, furrowards, bagwards, like oxen at the term fant. Here, the figurines, billy coos, arming and mounting, arming, bellicose figurines, see here. For thought, this little effing G is a 4-fire thing called flint floral. Face on the east, oh, I fay, face at the waist, ho, you fay, up, whap, and dump 'em, face. To face. When apart so petit, does duty for the hollows we soon grow to use of an alphabet. Here, please to stoop. A several cued petite peas of quite peculiar interest, in as little as they are pellets that make the tummy's pay roll. Right Ragnar rocks, and with these rocks orangutangongs rattled rough and right garong. Wisha, would ye thither, thick is the thorn and the thuck is the thoil, and the thumbs traitor thrust for vengeance. What a nice old menacid all menakes, a middle hide horde of objects, olives, beets, kimberbells, dollies, alfreds, beaties, cormacs and daltons, owlets, eags. Oh, stop, please, are here creakish from age, and all now quite epsiline, and old woolly webblowers, hordworth wipe of grass, see snake wirrups every side of Dulbrin is swarming in sneaks. They came to our island from triangular Tauschatir belong the wet prairie raid up to the midst of the cargan of prohibitive pomfructs, but along landed Paddy whipping 'em to his garbage cans, cotched the creeps of them, pricker than our who's there, out foreman and quick with our what's that's, some divide and some the lot, but the tally turns round the same, Balfuscan, racketeers and botloggers.